Hey there, smoothie lovers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic that you've all been eagerly waiting for: the best smoothie blenders of 2024. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast, a health-conscious individual, or just a fan of delicious, nutritious smoothies, this video is for you. We've researched and tested various blenders to bring you the top contenders. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box below, which are updated for the best prices, like the video comment. And don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. Number 5. The NutriBullet ZNBF 30500Z Blender Combo is a powerful and versatile blender that comes with both a single-serve cup and a large capacity pitcher. It has a 1200-watt motor and 3 precision speeds, plus a pulse function and an extract program. This makes it easy to blend a wide variety of ingredients, from smoothies and soups to sauces and nut butters. Here are some of the key features of the NutriBullet ZNBF 30500Z Blender Combo. 1200-watt motor for powerful blending. 3 precision speeds and a pulse function for full control. Extract program for maximum nutrient extraction. Single-serve cup and large capacity pitcher for versatility. Easy twist extractor blade made of powerful stainless steel. Super durable, BPA-free pitcher and cups made of high-performance plastic. The NutriBullet ZNBF 30500Z Blender Combo is a great choice for people who want a powerful and versatile blender that can make a wide variety of healthy and delicious foods. It is also easy to use and clean. Here are some of the things you can make with the NutriBullet ZNBF 30500Z Blender Combo. Smoothies, soups, sauces, nut butters, dips, marinades, frozen drinks, cocktails, baby food, and more. The NutriBullet ZNBF 30500Z Blender Combo is a great way to get your daily dose of fruits, vegetables, and other nutrient-rich foods. It is also a great way to save money on expensive pre-made drinks and snacks. Number 4. The Oster Blender Pro 1200 with glass jar, 24-ounce smoothie cup, and brushed nickel is a powerful and versatile blender that can handle a wide range of blending tasks, from making smoothies to crushing ice to pureeing soups. It features a 1200-watt motor, 7 speeds, and 3 pre-programmed settings for smoothies, milkshakes, and salsas. The blender also comes with a 6-cup glass jar, a 24-ounce smoothie cup, and a pulse button for added control. Here are some of the key features of the Oster Blender Pro 1200. 1200-watt motor for powerful blending, 7 speeds plus pulse for precise control, 3 pre-programmed settings for smoothies, milkshakes, and salsas. 6-cup glass jar for blending large batches, 24-ounce smoothie cup for personal-sized drinks. Dishwasher-safe parts for easy cleanup. The Oster Blender Pro 1200 is a popular choice for both home cooks and professional chefs. It is known for its durability, performance, and ease of use. It is also backed by a 7-year warranty. Here are some of the pros and cons of the Oster Blender Pro 1200. Pros: powerful motor can handle a variety of blending tasks. Versatile with multiple pre-programmed settings and attachments. Durable and easy to clean. Backed by a 7-year warranty. Cons: some users have reported that the blender can be noisy. The glass jar is heavy and can be difficult to move when full. Overall, the Oster Blender Pro 1200 is a great choice for anyone who is looking for a powerful and versatile blender. It is perfect for making smoothies, milkshakes, soups, salsas, and more. Number 3. The Ninja BL610 Professional 72 Oz Countertop Blender is a powerful and versatile blender that can handle a wide range of tasks, including crushing ice, blending smoothies, and pureeing foods. It has a 1000-watt motor and total crushing technology, which ensures that your ingredients are blended evenly and thoroughly. The blender also has a large 72-ounce pitcher, which is perfect for making drinks and smoothies for the whole family. Here are some of the features and benefits of the Ninja BL610 Professional 72 Oz Countertop Blender. Powerful 1000-watt motor can crush ice and blend even the toughest ingredients. Total crushing technology ensures that your ingredients are blended evenly, and thoroughly large 72-ounce pitcher is perfect for making drinks and smoothies for the whole family. 3 speed settings and pulse function give you precise control over your blending. BPA-free pitcher and blades are dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Overall, the Ninja BL610 Professional 72 Oz Countertop Blender is a great choice for anyone looking for a powerful and versatile blender. It is perfect for making smoothies, frozen drinks, and pureeing foods. It is also relatively affordable, making it a great value for the money. Here are some of the things you can make with the Ninja BL610 Professional 72 Oz Countertop Blender. Smoothies, frozen drinks, soups, sauces, purees, nut butters, baby food, ice cream, sorbet. If you are looking for a blender that can do it all, the Ninja BL610 Professional 72 Oz Countertop Blender is a great option. Number 2. The Breville Fresh and Furious Blender is a powerful and versatile blender that can handle a variety of tasks, from making smoothies and soups to crushing ice and chopping food. It has a 1700-watt motor and a unique hemisphere blade design that ensures even blending. The blender also comes with 9 one-touch programs for making smoothies, green smoothies, and ice crushing, as well as 5 speed settings for manual control. Here are some of the features of the Breville Fresh and Furious Blender. 1700-watt motor for powerful blending. Hemisphere blade design for even blending. 9 one-touch programs for making smoothies, green smoothies, and ice crushing. 5 speed settings for manual control. Easy-to-use digital controls. Dishwasher-safe jar and lid. The Breville Fresh and Furious Blender is a great choice for anyone who is looking for a powerful and versatile blender. It is perfect for making smoothies, soups, sauces, and other blended drinks. It can also be used to chop food and crush ice. Here are some reviews from Amazon customers. This blender is amazing. It can crush ice into snow and make the smoothest smoothies I've ever had. It's also very easy to use and clean. I love my Breville Fresh and Furious Blender. It's so powerful and can handle anything I throw at it. I've made smoothies, soups, sauces, and even hummus with it. It's also very easy to clean. This is the best blender I've ever owned. It's so powerful and can make anything from smoothies to ice cream. It's also very easy to use and clean. If you are looking for a powerful and versatile blender, the Breville Fresh and Furious Blender is a great option to consider. Number 1. The Vitamix 5200 Blender is a professional-grade blender that is perfect for home use. It has a powerful 2-peak horsepower motor that can easily handle even the toughest ingredients, such as frozen fruits and vegetables, nuts, and seeds. The blender also has a variety of features that make it easy to use and clean, such as a variable speed control, a self-cleaning container, and a tamper to help ingredients move towards the blades. The Vitamix 5200 Blender is a versatile kitchen appliance that can be used to make a variety of different foods and drinks, including smoothies, soups, dips, sauces, frozen desserts, nut butters, flours, and more. The Vitamix 5200 Blender is also known for its durability. It is made with high-quality materials and is backed by a 7-year warranty. Here is a summary of the key features of the Vitamix 5200 Blender. Powerful 2-peak horsepower motor, variable speed control, self-cleaning container, tamper, 64-ounce container, 7-year warranty. If you are looking for a high-quality blender that can handle anything you throw at it, the Vitamix 5200 Blender is a great option. It is a versatile and durable kitchen appliance that can help you make a variety of delicious and healthy foods and drinks.